River of Arundel, right? What do you think of that?
Good.
All right, Jack, we gotta keep walking. Something's up here, I can hear it. Jack, jeez. Wait. This silly puppy wumpy. Look at him. Oh, what's that say? Look at Dan and Joanna that way. Yes. You see it? Look, keep looking down the cliff. Do you see anything? What do you see? Yep. And who was down there a couple days ago? Remember down there?
Yeah.
Who was down there? And who went with them? Who went down there and right down there? Who was it?
Dippy.
And
Me.
and
Dad.
and
Dad.
and who did we find?
Elsa.
It was magical, wasn't it? All right, so let's just revisit. This is where we went down, and I'm just showing the people that want to watch this from Arundel on the TV stations. That's the river of Arundel, and that right there is the waterfall of Elsa and Anna. Let's get tiring. It's a long walk. That's where we went down to the waterfall, right down there. And there's the river. And there's Jackie Tack. And there's this little sink pot. And there's Dad and Emily. What did you hear? Did you hear anything? What'd you hear?
I hear a monkey.
Oh shoot. I can hold it.
You want to keep going to see the waterfall, or do you want to go back home?
No, I think I'll go come here where I saw.
What?
Huh?
I saw that green thing over there.
Oh.
Where? Oh, that tree?
The green thing.
What is it?
Oh, what is that?
It's
Jack, what is it, Jack?
What is it?
Second. What is that? There's a waterfall, and that's where we came. That's where Elsa climbed up. Who do you think it could be? Joanna?
Your goggles up. You can see. I can't see what it is. Can you see what it is?
Oh, look! It's a princess!
Who is that?
It's a princess!
Who is it?
It's Anna!
No way. Should we go?
Yes!
She's been waiting since Elsa left. Are you kidding me?
Should we rescue her?
Want to take her back and get her warm?
Yes.
Okay, we're coming, Anna. We're coming. Oh my gosh. Look at her. She's a princess now. Oh, no way. Let's see her. Let's see her. Oh, geez, Dad. Don't go down the cliff, Dad.
No way.
Wow. Jeez, are you serious?
Oh my goodness.
Look at her!
I better wrap her up because she's got cold.
She can't. She was already sleeping up in the tree off the snow. What is all? You know? Just on the back, Dad.
I know.
We go to the flat area? No way, look at.
Hey, Lava!
Isn't she beautiful?
Oh, yes. I'll put her right here with you, okay? It's your sidekick now.
That way she can stay warm with you.
That's a good idea.
Say hi.
Oh, she's so happy.
She just like my baby.
And now Elsa and Anna are back together, huh? It's a magical day in the world of Frozen.
Big smile for Frozen. Big
Frozen
smile.
world.
Well then.